What's up, everyone? I am here with a brand new video. In this video, I'm going to show you how to create high-quality AI influencer content using a ComfyUI Cloud server. To get started, all you need to do is sign up with your Gmail and you're good to go. If you can't find the platform, I'll leave the link in the description below. Today, we'll be using Kling Motion Control for video creation, and you'll get around 400 free credits, which is more than enough to follow along. First, before uploading your TikTok video, we need to make a small adjustment so the model can better understand the motion. Open your video in any editing software. Go to Adjustments, decrease the exposure by 5, and increase the contrast by around 5 to 10. That's it. You can tweak other settings if you want, just make sure the colors look stronger and more defined. Once done, export the video, and we're ready for the next step. Now let's move on to the image part, which is very important because the quality of your image directly affects how realistic your final video will look. Open Seedream in a new tab. Select the correct option, bypass the unnecessary nodes, and make sure everything is properly connected to the Seedream model. Then upload your model image. If you don't have one, you can create it using different models. And if you want a full guide on that, just comment below and I'll cover it in another video. Next, we want the image to match the first frame of the video. Take a screenshot from your video, then go to ChatGPT and generate a scene description prompt based on that frame. Paste the prompt into Seedream, set the aspect ratio to 9:16, and don't change anything else. Run it. If something looks off, like body proportions or style, just make small adjustments until it looks right. After that, we enhance the image quality. Go to Templates and choose the Skin Enhancer. Remove or bypass unnecessary nodes and connect your image to the model. Enter the subgraph, and here you can choose which body parts you want to enhance. Enable neck and clothes, and leave the rest. Upload your image and run it. You'll immediately notice a big difference. Now, the image becomes sharper, more detailed, and much more realistic. Now we move on to the video generation. Upload your enhanced image along with your edited TikTok motion video. Don't add any prompt, just run the model. It usually takes around 5 to 10 minutes to generate the result. So I'll be back once the video is ready. So the model has completed its job. Let's see the results. Do one final adjustment before uploading it. Go back to your editing software, add a bit of grain or particles around 10 to 20, and increase sharpening to about 20. Everything else is optional. This step helps the video feel more natural and less AI generated. And that's it. Your high-quality AI influencer video is ready. If you found this helpful, make sure to like and subscribe. In the next videos, I'll go deeper into device setup, account management, content strategy, and how to actually make money with this using platforms like FanView. If you missed anything, just go back and watch it again, and I'll see you in the next one.